Meanwhile, fresh from scoring his first goal on local soil, Reggae Boys forward Demarai made an appearance at former Da Costa Cup champions Garvey Maceo High School on Monday. Karen Madden has a report.
The 27-year-old Demarai Gray had a dream start playing on local soil when his 64th minute strike gave Jamaica a precious 1-0 win over Honduras last Friday. It sent fans inside the National Stadium into a frenzy. On Monday, the newly minted Al Ettifaq in Saudi Arabia player, whose family is from Lanel Town, Clarendon, traveled to Garvey Maceo and spent time responding to questions from the school's Da Costa Cup players. Gray said it was important to get to know his roots.
Hopefully I can give you guys some inspiration, and obviously I wish you the best for the upcoming season and stuff. But yeah, I'm proud to be back here and representing Jamaica. Obviously in the future I'll be back a lot more, and on my visits back I hope to actually come back and see you guys again. Hopefully see you play sometime. But yeah, for today it's a nice moment for me, and even just driving through the area and stuff, it's to see where my people come from and the things I've done in my career. As I said, this is one of the proudest days for me.
JFF President Michael Ricketts was also on hand.
I'm sure that he has enjoyed his sojourn, looking at what his roots would be, and he did say to me that his grandparents are still alive and do come to Clarendon very often. So we certainly need to make that connection. But I want to wish Mr. Gray all the best going forward. So far he has positively impacted our football program, and we are just hoping that the big picture will be World Cup 2026, and we expect him to play a major role in that process.
And with the local schoolboy football season off to a start, Ricketts is hoping Gray's visit will motivate the players not only at Garvey Maceo but the parish of Clarendon.
Well, they have their first Da Costa Cup game on Wednesday, and this must positively influence the psyche of every player here. I chaired the school board here for 9 years, so I have some kind of an allegiance. So I want Garvey to do well, I want all the Clarendon teams to do well, and hopefully the Costa Cup winner will come from one of these Clarendon teams.
Gray is expected to be part of Jamaica's team that will face Haiti on Tuesday at the National Stadium. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.